Hey guys, welcome back to Snapping. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to adjust your water heater temperature. This is the Rheem water heater and this is the control box. On this box, right here is the knob, and this is how you adjust your water temperature. So most of the new water heater, even A.O. Smith or other brands, they do come with a control box. And on top of that box usually come with a knob now. It may be labeled differently than what we have here. So on this one, let's take a look. This one, this is the Rheem model. We have an off position. We have the pilot. The pilot usually means when you first hook up your water heater, they need to ignite. They need to start your water heater. That's what they need. Okay. And then you have a vacation mode. I do recommend it whenever you all go on vacation, you want to put on vacation mode, so that way you can the water heater itself is not completely powered off. So that way when you come back, you move it back and it'll go back to the way you wanted it, okay? And then we have a low with a hot, A, B, C, and very hot. I do not recommend it put on very hot because if you accidentally get in the shower, turn it on. If you don't have a temperature control faucet, you will get burned because this is more like a volcano hot. It's very, very, very hot, okay? So on my house, we have it here as low, and that's a temperature that we like because the newer models are very efficient. We don't need it extremely hot. Okay, this is kind of we're comfortable where we are. You decide what temperature you want it to. Okay, but that is how you control or adjust your water heater temperature. You do not need to call a repair person. You do not need to call a technician or anyone to adjust it for you and charge you a fee for it. You can definitely do that on your own. Okay. So I hope you liked the video and I hope that helps. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel for more videos, please do so, and I appreciate your support. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.